Well, fam, we got exciting news today. We got free HIV self-test kit. Yeah, guys. Remember we did a video on how to use the oral quick self-test kit some months ago. In case you missed it, you can check it out. And a lot of you wanted to get the test kit for yourself and use it at your convenience and also confidentially. Unfortunately, we couldn't get you the test kit, but guess what? We're back with a bang. We have here the First Response HIV 1.2 card self-test kit, rapid fast test kit. And we are not just going to show you how to use it. We are gonna give out free self-test kit. I mean, amazing, and a free self-test kit for everyone who is interested. And that is what ExpressMed Healthcare seeks to do. Our goal of making preventive healthcare more accessible for every Ghanaian, every individual, regardless of wherever you are. This dream is becoming possible thanks to your love and support. And so stay with me. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this rapid fast test kit at your convenience in the comfort of your home. And then once we are done, I'll show you how you can get this kit for free. Don't let anybody sell it to you. It's free and we are here to give it to you. So stay with me, guys. Let's get in. Okay, so we are going to unbox the First Response HIV self-test kit. So in this kit, we have, let's start with this. You have your alcohol swabs. You also have your specimen transfer device. And then you have your lancet, sterile lancet. This is what you use to prick your fingers. Then we also have buffer, the assay buffer. You put this on your blood. I'll show you how to use it. Yeah, this is extra specimen transfer device. And then these are the packs or the packets. These are all the cards for the HIV test itself. We have quite a number, and so we'll go through it quickly. So I'll just take one. Then we'll push this on the side. Yes, so we have this extra, so let's keep it here. Yeah, so we have everything we need here. So shall we begin? So to self-test, all right, for HIV/AIDS, you know that already HIV acquire human immunodeficiency virus. It's a virus that attacks your immune system, and you need to take good care of it before it becomes serious. So early detection, as you know, already saves life. So to start, you have to take your alcohol swab. Let's take just one. Oh, okay, I think we can remove this. Okay, and then clean gently your finger where you want to have the test. Okay. Oh. Then let's have this. Oh, I forgot to tell you, before you do the test, you need to do it on a smooth, clean surface like what we have here. Also bear in mind that the self-test kit is for a 90-day window, so it will be accurate for any activity that is done in the last 90 days. And so if you need to continually do this if you have any activity. But activity is not just sex. HIV spreads not just through sex, it can also be through semen or vaginal fluids, or if you come into contact with sharp objects with blood. Okay. Also, you need to check out for expiry date. This one expires in 2025 October, so you do not use any expiry self-test kit. So yes, as you can see, that is your kit, as good as it is. I need to clean my fingers again. Now I'm going to take the sterile lancet, just one. Just turn it. Okay. There is a small pointed object, so just prick it. Yeah. And then just press your finger until you see blood. You can drop the blood in the S column, this section. You can drop your blood here, or you take the specimen transfer device to collect the blood and then drop it in the X section. I'm going to show you. Okay, just like that. Yes, I think I have enough blood now. Enough to just drop it in the X. What the hell is this? We need a few more. So yes. Good. Anyhow, anyway, there is blood. The other option, as I said, is to collect it with the specimen transfer device. I do not have enough blood, so unfortunately, but then is to collect this and then you drop it in the S section equally. Once you are done, take the alcohol swab and then wipe your fingers so that it's as clean as it looks and to clear any germs. The next thing is to take your buffer and then you drop 2 droplets on it. 1, 2. Okay, fantastic. All right, do not shake it, do not move it. Then you leave it on for 15 minutes. The whole test is supposed to take about maximum 20 minutes, 5 minutes to do all the testing, get the blood and all that, and then 15 minutes to read the results. So we are launching our subscription-based package. And so if you want access to general and specialist doctors anytime, anywhere in Ghana, you should sign up to the Express Med Ghana app. It gives you 24/7 access to all the experts, all the medical professionals you can have in the country. You can also have access to medical checkups and then early detection of diseases. And then also we give you a wide array of educational resources or materials. Health education is at the forefront of what we do because we believe that with knowledge is strength, with knowledge comes power. That's why we are pushing this whole preventive healthcare agenda. And so join us, download the app now and then enjoy 30-day free trial, unlimited access to all the healthcare professionals, the best you can have in the country. And then let me know your feedback. Okay, so our result is ready. My production manager, are you ready? Yeah, man. All right, so this is how you interpret the results. Usually the C is the control line, so you see a line. If you see a line, one line on C on the control line, that is what? A negative result, meaning you do not have HIV/AIDS. You do not have HIV, sorry. And so what you have to do is you can repeat the test in case you've had any exposure. As I mentioned earlier, maybe true, you've had come into contact with any, you've had any sexual activity or exchange semen or vaginal fluids anywhere. You can repeat the test after 3 months. Yes, but if you see 2 lines, any other line in addition to C, it may be HIV positive. And so the advice is that you can double check in a healthcare facility or contact Express Med on the app. And then our counselors, our medical doctors will take you through the necessary steps. No, there's nothing to worry about. There's nothing to fear. Even if you do again and then you are HIV positive, there is nothing to worry about. With ART, you can manage your HIV/AIDS. People have HIV and they are still living long and having a good life. So there's nothing wrong with it. You can still get it, and we'll make sure that you are managed through the process. We'll take you through every step to make sure that you are still having the best of life. And so if you see any double line, don't panic. We'll repeat the test and also we'll refer you to the nearest accredible health facility. So there you have it, guys. This is how to use so First Response HIV self-test kit. Now the good news, We are giving out these test kits to Ghanaians wherever you are. We are giving these kits out, but the nature of the test kits is that you need to follow some protocol, so we cannot just issue it out. So if you want one, if you really need one, just drop a comment, just send us a DM. You can send us a DM, you can call us, the contact numbers are on the screen. You can visit our website, expressmedhealthcare.com, to also send us a message. You can comment, just tell us that, yes, I want, in the comment section, and we'll reach out to you and then take you through all the required processes and then give you one for free. We'll be coming to the street or the corner near you to distribute the free HIV self-test kit. Guys, take your health seriously. Prevention, as you know, is better than cure. All right, if you are joining us for the first time, hit the subscription and the notification button. Well, we got more exciting things coming your way. Free HIV self-test kit. It's here, guys. All right, cheers. Take care. Okay, adios.